Welcome to my More Than a Game horizontal template. I want to give you a brief glimpse into what this can do. This works for a variety of different sports, and the instant download includes a full tutorial that'll give you tips and tricks for modifying this and making any team fit. This includes a variety of different ground elements, including a grass layer, dirt layer, there's a home plate in here, there's also a second and third base option, a first base option, and a pitcher's mound. So a variety of stuff for baseball and softball. Plus, with the grass, it fits about any sport that is played outside. So from soccer, field hockey, lacrosse, band, cheer, and the dirt even works great for cross country. This template can be scaled to fit a variety of different amounts of players. So for example, this is like a 12 to 15 person team here. If you wanted to fit more, I could scale these smaller guys down here, make them something like this, and fit a lot more subjects in there across this. So just by scaling them smaller, you can fit a ton of different players in there. This could be like the whole team, and then this could be, for example, the starters or the seniors or the captains or something up here. You don't have to use both the close-up version and the full body version. You can pick one or the other. So for example, I could do full body and just make them a little bit bigger to fit and cover up the scene here. And I could do something just like this where the full body shows up. Or I could show off the full body option and do just the close-up option. Either one looks awesome. The motto across the back here, it says more than a game, but you can replace it with any motto that your coach or team wants. This template creates an artistic scene that feels fresh and impactful. It's a striking background that keeps the focus exactly where it belongs, on the athlete. Hope you love it.